Welcome back to the Stovetop. Yesterday morning at the end of Caliber Corner, it kind of devolved into a food chat, and one of the things that came up was the sweet and spicy jam and Mambo sauce available at McDonald's, which I haven't had yet. Later that day, Pew Pew Park released a review video of these where he used a chicken McNugget. And between the two, that sort of inspired me to do my own review video today, but I'll be using McDonald's French fries. I went into the lobby and ordered the 2 large fries from the kiosk. I went into the sides and selected 4 each of the jam and the sauce, but they only gave me 2 of each. They did, however, give me 5 ketchup packets, which I didn't ask for. According to the nutritional information on the kiosk, the Mambo sauce is 60 calories for a 1-ounce package. The first 2 ingredients listed are sugar and tomato ketchup, which contains sugar. The sweet and spicy jam is 80 calories for a 1-ounce packet. The first ingredient listed is sugar. The second ingredient listed is corn syrup. According to the kiosk, the large fries are 480 calories each. However, when I did a Google search, it said that a large fry is 510 calories. It probably falls somewhere between there. Of those 510 calories, 220 calories come from the 24 grams of fat in 1 large fry. It also has 350 milligrams of sodium. All right, so I've opened one of each sauce. I'm going to start with the sweet and spicy jam. Just dip a fry in there. It's sweet. The spice is on the back end. It's not bad. It's a little fruity. A fry is probably not the best thing to dip this in. Yeah, you get the sweet on the front end. A little bit tangy, like barbecue sauce. And then the hot on the back end, and it really isn't, or spicy hot, but it really isn't that spicy. All right, and now I'll just cleanse the palate with a bunch of fries here. And try some of the Mambo sauce here. All right, now this looks more like barbecue sauce, whereas the sweet and spicy jam kind of has a, well, I mean, it looks kind of like grape jelly or strawberry jelly. So let's try this out. I can smell tomatoey with maybe a little bit of like a Louisiana hot sauce, like Frank's or something like that. Yeah, it's not really that hot. I'm getting it on the front half of my tongue after I've swallowed the French fry. Yeah, it's just kind of a tangy, kind of like a barbecue sauce in the front, and spicy like a jalapeno in the back, but not overly spicy. It might be a little bit strong for some people who don't like spicy food. Definitely spicier than the sweet and spicy jam. If I had to pick which one I liked better out of the two, it's the Mambo sauce, but that's just because I like spicy peppers. So I don't know how long these are going to be available for, but if you did want to get these on the side or you wanted to get some extra, just make sure you ask for them or just add them to your order if you're using the kiosk. Otherwise, though, I'd say that I can see why he used a chicken McNugget. It's probably something that would go better with these, although fries in the Mambo sauce really aren't that bad. I think I'm going to have some unhealthy food here and way too much sodium. Glad I did this test. Thanks for watching.